Welcome back. Before proceeding to next topic, one student posted one question based on asset accounting. Can we have a different fiscal year at asset accounting level? Here you will find that option. Even we can have a different fiscal year at company code level also in asset accounting, and at depreciation level also we can have a different fiscal year. So let me go to general valuation. In this general valuation, you will find a fiscal year specification. Click on this one. We are not going to do any configuration here, just we are trying to understand the concept. Specify other variants on a company code level. Company code level means whatever the variants you are specifying here, that will be applicable to all depreciation areas. My company code 9000. For 9000, I am using K2. Let me go and check OBY6. K2 we are using. This is at company code level in GL. That means at GL level we have K2 period. Can we have a different fiscal year at asset accounting level? See, asset accounting is a submodule. Asset accounting is a submodule. So like AP, account receivable, accounts payable, it is a submodule only, asset accounting. Here we are using K2 fiscal year. What is the K2 fiscal year start date and end date? This is 1st January is the start date. Year could be anything, 20, year could be anything. Ending date is 31 December. 31st December. So here, can we have a different fiscal year? Yes, we can have a different fiscal year at a company code level. So what is the impact of using this for? If I assign one variant here, that is applicable to all depreciation areas. All depreciation areas within this company code. So what is the condition of assigning a different fiscal year variant? We need to understand that one. Coming to this K2, here we have 12 normal periods. 12 normal periods plus 2 special periods. So start date is 1st January, this is 31st December. Whatever the fiscal year you use at asset accounting, condition start date and end date should be same as maintained at GL level. So that means start date of asset accounting fiscal year, start date should be 1st Jan only. End date 31st December. This is in line with the fiscal year variant maintained at a company code level, at higher level. So that is K2. K2 start date is 1st Jan, end date is 31 December. So we can use any variant here, any variant that is configured with the start date as 1st Jan and end date as December. Then both the dates are same. Both dates are same. Then what is the use of assigning a different fiscal year at this company code level? Only we can do, here we have 12 periods. If you need 14 periods in asset accounting or 24 periods in asset accounting, define those periods, create one new fiscal year variant like this, keeping in mind that whatever the fiscal year variant maintained at OBY6, take start date, end date, the newly customized fiscal year variant start end date should be equal to this one only. You can change this period. For only this purpose, we can be able to create and assign a new fiscal year variant in asset accounting. Apart from this one, in general, we are not going to have this kind of the requirement. In case if you have any requirement for using a different fiscal year variant, In first step, you need to inform to your customer that this start date and end date both are one and the same in 2 fiscal year. Only we can be able to have different periods here. Hope you understand. So that is the concept of fiscal year variant at asset accounting level. If I assign here, that is applicable to all depreciation areas. I don't want to apply this fiscal year variant to all depreciation areas under this company code. I want to maintain a different fiscal year with reference to depreciation area. In that case, you activate this. Go back and specify other variants to depreciation area level. So here you can maintain a fiscal year versions here. So you need to understand one thing. What is the summary of this discussion? You take OBY6. You take OBY6, what is maintained at your company code level, K2. Note down the start date and end date. Your new fiscal year in asset accounting should use these 2 dates. In between, you change the period. Hope you understand what is the purpose of giving a different fiscal year at asset accounting. The summary of discussion, we can have only different periods, number of periods, but we cannot change the start and end date. That is maintained at OBY6 company code level. Hope you understand this. I will take a separate session on non-leading ledgers. Non-leading ledgers means we are using 0L and X1. For X1 right now we have K2 only. I will explain for this one also K2. So there is no issue here. Here I am going to use K2. Here I am going to use V3. In that case, we have limitation at asset accounting. Asset accounting level, we have limitation. Asset accounting always check what is the start date, end date of leading ledger. So here we will have technical problem. V3 is having a different start date. Coming to this one, this is 1st Jan and 31 December. So coming to this one, this is 1st April and having 31st March of next year. So how to give the workaround solution for this one, we will discuss. Thank you. Please, if you like this course, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.